The other very good example of universal brotherhood is the fifth pillar of Islam, that is Hajj. The Hajj is the biggest annual gathering in the world. And during Hajj, nowadays, about 4 million people come from different parts of the world. From America, from Canada, from UK, from Malaysia, from Indonesia, from India. 4 million people. And the men, they are dressed up in 2 pieces of unsewn cloth, preferably white. You cannot differentiate the person standing next to you whether he is a king or a pauper. When you are in ihram, the purpose of the ihram is that all of them, they wear the same clothes, 2 pieces of unsewn white cloth. You cannot identify the person standing next to you whether he is a king or a pauper. And you say the talbiyah, labbaik Allahumma labbaik, labbaik Allahumma labbaik. Here I come, O my Lord, here I come at your service. More than 4 million people from different parts of the world, of different nationalities, different colors. They come only at the service of the Lord. That is the best example of universal brotherhood.